I have a habit that others find a little annoying. While doing boring repetitive tasks that don't require much mental effort, I tend to sing non-lexical vocable versions of my favorite songs. You don't know what that means? Here's an example. Na 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 na. Anyway, as usual, today I was vibing to a lovely song in my head, but suddenly I realized, wait, what was that song? Even after thinking as hard as I could, I failed to recall that song's name. Now, I was left with two options to choose from. Either spend the next 3 hours filling up my search history with embarrassing stuff but still have no clue about what that song was, or just use the method that we're going to talk about right now, which can help you find the name of any song in under 30 seconds. So here's how it works. Open the Google app on your phone and say, which song is this? Now, you may sing, hum, whistle or make whatever noises you wish to while making sure that it sounds like the song that you want to actually search for. Here's an example. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Sounds like one of these.
That's pretty accurate. No need for fancy apps like Shazam, which more often than not don't even get the job done. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found the video helpful and would like to see more of such content, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.